What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Jeremy Cash, and today I want to teach you another way to make money online by, buying and selling domain names. This was a subscriber request, so I want to make sure I get this video done for you guys to be able to help you out. So if you go to like GoDaddy.com, this is a website where you could do hosting, or you can get your domain names for your websites. So just to give you an example of what you could do is, let's just say I typed in, make money daily.com. Some of these may be taken. I mean, if it's not taken, you could use it. If it is taken, I think this one may be taken. Let's see. It's available. See, it's available. Somebody already owns it, but they want you to pay that much for it because it's one of those, top tier ones. So I wouldn't pay that much for that domain, even though it'll probably sell for way more than that. With an average sale price of 2100. So if you bought it for that, you could sell it for $2100. But let me go ahead and give you guys a better example here. I'll go here. I'll go to manage my domains. Once this pops up, I'll go ahead and show you guys what I'm talking about here. On this page, it'll be mine and my wife's accounts. Okay, so here, partner with Leger.com. That's my wife's page. Her domain name can sell for $412. Okay, partner with Jeremy, mine can sell for less than $100. All right, so once this loads up all the way, let me see. It usually have a for sale thing right there where you could list it for sale. So let me see if there it is. Okay, so I can list this for sale if I want to sell it, but I don't. And this is as soon as you buy your domain name. Okay, you can list it for sale. It goes on to the market. Someone decides to buy it, they'll go ahead and buy it. You'll get paid this. Okay, very, very simple stuff, you guys. And I want to give you guys an example because I got partnered with Jeremy.net. I wanted .com, but let me kind of give you guys an example um, of what I'm talking about. I wanted this one, but it was already taken. Someone was trying to sell it to me. See, partner with Jeremy.com is for sale, $1,800. You know what I mean? So, if I'd have made this purchase, somebody would have got $1,800 off of me. Which is a great hustle. You know what I mean? So you could buy and sell domain names all day long. Okay, especially big brand. So if I was you, I would go for like really good generic names, um, like make money online. Um, if it's not already taken, let me see here. Just start to think of some really good generic names that you think um, somebody would want, like a realestate.com or something crazy like that. Something that companies may want to buy off of you, because companies, they don't mind spending that money for these domain names. So let's see here. Something, let me see. It may not even be available. We'll see in a second. Yeah, it's already taken. Alright, so let me see if .net is probably taken too, though. These are like really, really generic. These have been out here forever. Yeah, it's already taken too. So let me see. Real estate investor.com. And you could just go in here and buy tons of domains and list them for sale. But see, these are, a lot of these are already sold. So just kind of come up with the names that you think, uh, someone will want to buy. Okay? Just type in one more and see. MakeMoney.com. Wow. What about Money Team? Let's see. Oh, okay. So yeah, you could buy something like this. But I don't really know who would, look for Real Estate Money Team. So I mean, like I said, you guys, you can come in here and make a pretty good profit. You know, a couple $100s a day, a couple $100s a month, just from buying and selling domain names. So hopefully that gave you, you know, it sparked some interest, gave you enough for you to be able to go ahead and, you know, go out there and kill it. If you guys need any training, any one-on-one coaching, I do offer one-on-one coaching and mentorship. I do also have trainings in the description below this video. Also, if you just want to look at the ways that I make money online, you can definitely find that in the description as well. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at cash_capital. I'll make sure I put that in the description. If you guys need any help with anything, if you have any questions, concerns, guidance, or whatever, just let me know. And you guys go out there and kill this stuff, man. I've been trying to, you know, teach you as much stuff as that I know that can make you guys some good money. So hopefully this is helping. Hit the subscribe button if you're new, and give me a like and a share on this video. All right. So, what's going on?